Hi everyone. Do you know that it's almost the end of our school year? It's true. Next Friday is our last day. And so on that day, we're not going to have a story time, but I am going to be showing you a few things and talking about a few things. And then you'll be finding something in the mail to help mark the end of our school year. So this is our second last story time. I'm going to send this to you today, and then I'll send one next week, and then we'll have our end of the year video. All right, this book is called Duck in the Truck. It's by Jez Alborough. She's one of my favorite authors too. Duck in the Truck. See if these pages match. A little bit. It's a little floppy, so we'll see if we can't get it to work here. This is Duck driving home in a truck. This is the track, which is taking him back. This is the rock struck by the truck, and this is the muck where the truck becomes stuck. Let's see, is that better? These are the feet which jump the duck down into the muck, all yucky and brown. This is the frog. Do you see the frog? There he is. This is the frog who watched from the bush and croaks, "I'll help you give it a push." This is the push of a frog and a duck. And this is the truck, still stuck. This is the sheep driving home in a Jeep. "Get out of the way," he yells with a beep. Quack! This is the quack of an angry duck. "I can't," he says, "my truck is stuck." This is the quiet. Whoa, I told you it was floppy. This is the quiet as they think what to do. "Got it," croaks Frog. "Sheep can push too." This is the slurp and the squelch and the suck as the sheep steps slowly through the muck. Can you imagine that sound? So This is the push of a sheep, a frog, and a duck. And this is the truck, still stuck. This is the happy, sleepy goat, relaxing in his motorboat. This is the ear that hears the shout, "My truck's in the muck and it won't come out." Whoa. This is the rope, and here's the goat's plan to tie a knot as tight as they can. This is the push at the rear once more. This is the pull of the boat leaving shore. Okay, these are the wheels finally gripping. This is the knot suddenly slipping. Twang! Oh no! This is the truck with the wheels spinning fast. Back on the track, unstuck at last. Yay! This is the duck driving home in the truck, leaving the frog, the sheep, and the goat stuck in the muck. Isn't that funny? And that says Los Altos Parent Preschool, which is where we got this book. All right, my friends. I'll see you next week. I hope you have a lovely weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.